أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We're going to start our first lesson, alphabets. First letter we have it's Alif. Next is Ba. Ba has a dot underneath. And the next letter we have it's Ta. Ta has two dots up. Ta, Ba. And that is Ta. Okay, the next letter we have it is Tha. Let me, yes. This will be better. So first letter it's alif. All right, straight line, it's alif. The next letter we have it's ba. Ba has a dot underneath. It is ba. Next letter we have it is ta. Ta has two dots. And the next letter we have tha. Tha has three dots up. And after that we have a next letter jim. Jim has dot inside. It is jim. Okay, moving next letter, it is ha. Ha is empty, no dot inside and up. So it is empty letter. It is ha. All right, the next word letter we have, it is ho. It's full mouth letter. Ho, full mouth letter. We can say it's bold letter as well. Next letter we have it dal. Dal is empty letter. Okay, no dot at dal. All right. Dal. And the next letter we have it is Dal. Dal is soft letter. We have a dot above, one dot you can see here. Dal. And the next letter we have it's Raw. Raw is a full mouth letter. Sometime when Raw has kasra beneath, or Ra is empty and Ra has a sakun, and before Ra we have kasra or zir. So remember, it is raw. When raw has fatha or dhamma, it is full mouth letter. When raw has kasra, it will be empty letter. Moving next letter now. We have next letter za. Za is is a hard letter with a whistle. We pronounce za, 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 and the next is sin, sin, sin. Sin. All right, sin is a hard letter as well, whistle sound. Next letter we have sheen. It is full, it is a sheen letter. Sheen, we have three dots up. All right, the sheen is sh, sheen, like makes sh sound. Sheen, like ocean. Shin, sheen. All right, next letter we have sword, which is a full mouth letter. Sword, sword, sword has no dot, it's empty. And next letter we have a dot, it is full mouth letter. Dot has a dot upside. So dot. All right, next is to. To is empty letter. Next is tho. We have a tho, like a one dot up. So it tho is empty, tho has a dot. So next letter we have it is ein. Ein is empty, and one of the difficult people think that it is a difficult. It is not a difficult. It is very easy. Need a little bit practice. Ein. It is ein. And the next letter we have similar to ein, but it has a dot, so it is not ein, it is wine. What is this letter? Wine. Good job. So wine has a dot. Next we have a fa. The next letter we have fa, one dot up. So fa is a soft letter. Okay. Fa. Okay, we have to say fa like our like lower lips touch the upper teeth and we say fa. So moving next letter now, it is qaf. So qaf is, as you can see here, that is qaf up two dots. Qaf full mouth letter, all right? Qaf. And the next letter, it is kaf. It's empty. Sound letter, it is a full mouth, but that kaf is orange one. We say empty. Kaf. Next letter we have lam. Lam. And the next is black one, meme. It is meme, meme. After meme, its next letter we have noon. Dot inside, it is noon. Moving next letter now, it is wow, wow. It is wow. After wow, we have a letter black one. It is It is And after ha, we have next letter. It is hamza. What is that letter? It's hamza. Next is ya. Two dots down. Remember, and the black one, it ya as well, but the shape is different. It is ya, and that black one is ya as well. So it is ya. So today lesson end. Inshallah, we further continue new lesson tomorrow. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.